How to sell clothes on Roblox. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can sell clothes on Roblox. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for your Roblox. Open App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Roblox application. If you see any update option available, click on it to update your app. If not, go back to your home page. Open Roblox on your device. To sell clothes on Roblox, you will need to have Premium. Go to the More section and tap on Premium. A premium subscription is required to sell clothes. You can click on Subscribe now to get a membership. Once that's done, then download templates from the Roblox creator documentations, or you can use design softwares like Photoshop or Canva to create your design. Once created, go to the Create section. In the Create section, you will see an interface like this. Click on the three-line icon at the top left corner. From this slide, go to the option Creations. In Creation, you will see an interface like this. In Create, you can go to Shirts, Pants or T-shirts. Then upload your design, name it and click on Upload. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.